Hi, this is Kat Palmiotti, broker at Blackstone Realty Group, with my first edition of the HouseKat Presents. Today I'm with Dean Giem, president of Paradox Insurance Agency here in the Flathead Valley.
Thank you, Kat. It's a pleasure to be here with you today. Just really want to talk about some of the changes that are occurring in the insurance market. With the introduction of our pandemic, COVID-19, many of us have been forced to work from home, which creates its own challenges. There may be some limitations to your policy when it comes to the business property that's located in your home. So it's important to make sure you have adequate coverage for any business personal property that you may use in lieu of having it at your office. Another consideration is all the private information that you may have printed out laying on your desk or your kitchen table, depending on your workspace. And it's important to make sure that the data privacy acts are still considered when managing those documents. In addition to that is the cybersecurity protocols that are often put in place in the office environment that may not be as adequate in the home environment. So really watch what you have on your computer, make sure the proper antivirus and spam software is in place. Oftentimes you may see an increase in customer traffic as a result of working from home. These are important factors to consider from a liability standpoint, making sure that your sidewalks are clear of debris, shoveled if necessary, and also that your dogs are contained if you have animals at home. Another consideration when working from home is your auto coverage. Oftentimes you find yourself driving less, which could impact your driving rates. Make sure you contact your local agent to have that conversation. Reducing those driving miles can also reduce premiums in many cases. Another consideration with your auto is sometimes you're driving more or the vehicle should be classified as business use. It's important to have the correct classification to make sure that you don't have any coverage disputes in the event of a claim or an occurrence. If you're working from home and have employees as well, oftentimes they may be driving their own vehicles or possibly your vehicle. Please check to make sure that your policies provide the adequate coverage for them and for your business. Change happens, so it's important to review your policies annually. Coverages do change, as well as policy forms. Carriers offer new products, and during any life event, it also may be a trigger to just take a moment, make sure that what you have is what you need. There's a fine line between being overinsured, underinsured, and insurance poor.
If you have any insurance needs, feel free to call Dean. His number follows. He services all of Flathead Valley and the entire state of Montana.